In today's video, I will walk you through how to use CoinMarketCap as a crypto scanner. To set up CoinMarketCap as a crypto scanner, start by creating a custom filter to narrow down the cryptocurrency list based on specific conditions. Go to the CoinMarketCap homepage. Above the main cryptocurrency table, locate and click the Filters button. Then click Add Filter to open the advanced scanner options. To create an under-the-radar momentum scan, set the market cap filter to custom and enter a range between $10 million and $100 million. Next, set the volume filter to 24-hour volume and choose a value above $5 million. After that, set the price change filter to positive percentage to find cryptocurrencies with upward movement over the selected period. To create a low inflation accumulation scan, select the circulating supply filter. Choose the custom option and set the circulating supply percentage to greater than 70%. Next, use the Categories section to scan different crypto sectors. Click the Categories tab located directly above the main cryptocurrency table. Sort the categories by 24-hour percentage change or 7-day percentage change to identify the strongest performing sectors. After selecting a category, open it to view the cryptocurrencies within that sector. Review the listed projects and scan for mid-cap cryptocurrencies within the category. For real-time on-chain screening, use DEX Scan. Click DEX Scan from the top navigation menu. Use the filters on the left sidebar to select specific blockchain networks, such as Solana, Base, or Ethereum. After selecting a network, apply additional filters by choosing trending or highest volume. Select the time frame you want to review, including the last 5 minutes, 1 hour, or 6 hours. When viewing a token on DEX Scan, check the Automated Security Audit widget on the token page. Review the highlighted security information and any displayed risk indicators. You can also scan recently added cryptocurrencies. Hover over the Cryptocurrencies tab and select Recently Added. In the Recently Added section, review the listed tokens and focus on the trading volume. Check tokens that show increasing volume while the price remains relatively stable. Review the available data to identify tokens matching your selected scanning criteria. Using these filters, categories, DEX Scan, and the recently added list allows you to customize CoinMarketCap as a crypto scanner and quickly review cryptocurrencies based on specific market conditions. Thank you for watching.